In this video we will see how we can set a AWS budget so that you can receive the email alerts whenever you are about to uh, exhaust your free tier limit, or maybe you have set up some cost that you can incur on your AWS account, and you will get an email notification when you are approaching to that budget, or you can say cost. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, you have to go to your billing console. For that, you can type on your AWS management console billing and go there. Alternatively, you have an option under this drop down and go to my billing dashboard. Once you are on your billing management console, on the left side you can see there is an option for budgets. Go to this, and here you can create a budget. Under the creation of a budget, you get various options such as cost budget. So this is used, suppose you have a maybe budget of $10 or maybe $50, and you want to get a notification when you are approaching to that cost. So you can set your cost budget here. Similarly, you have a usage budget. Suppose you are approaching to the free tier limit, then you will get a notification of your usage so that you can maybe stop that usage or maybe get ready to pay some cost for that. Similarly, you have some other types of budget that you can set, but for now let's set cost budget and click on set your budget. It is asking the name. You can put any name like my monthly AWS budget, and then you can set it to monthly or quarterly or annually. So I would prefer to set it as monthly, because every month AWS charges you for the cost that you incur throughout the month, so it is good to keep it as monthly. Then budget effective dates, is it a recurring budget or it will expire maybe by 2 months? So it will be recurring budget for every month, and it will be fixed, and you can set a monthly budget planning, so how much dollars you want to spend in which month. But for now let's keep it fixed for each month. Suppose my budget is just $10, so okay, $10 is done. And then you can scroll down. There's some advanced options that you can set, and these are all optional, so it depends on you how you want to include your cost or not. So there are some other costs that are involved, so you can maybe remove taxes out of it and maybe some other cost or charges, but I prefer to keep all of these default, because I want to include taxes as well, because that is also our cost. So once it is done, you can configure alerts, and here you can set like out of $10 when you want to receive the email notification, or you can say alert. So I want to say that when I reach 70% of my budget. So you can see I have entered 70 and percent of your budget amount, or you can say when I reach $7. So and here you can say absolute value. So notification, the notify the following contexts when actual cost is $7, which is 70% of your budgeted amount. Similarly, if I enter 7.5, so it has calculated that it is the 75% of your budgeted amount. So our budget amount is $10, that's why. Then you can put down your email ID at which you want to receive the email notification or the alert. Suppose I want to do it like kashish.gakkar@gmail.com, and after that you want to add email contact, and so one is fine. You can add multiple emails as well, and yeah, that is fine. And we can now confirm our budget. You can just review it, and once it is reviewed you can click on create. So my monthly budget is created now, and I will be notified once I reach the 75% of my budget amount, which is $7.5 for each month. So this is all for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please put down in the comment.